Open orders are typically caused by staff storing orders instead of finalizing them. To rectify this, the orders normally need to be finalized by tendering off the order or by canceling the order if it has not been processed. To finalize bills, revert to the point of sale screen. Direct yourself to the Pickup Order section. Be sure to select the View All Orders feature positioned in the upper right corner of the screen to view all employee orders. Select the order you wish to close as completed or cancel. Option 1. To close the bill. Once your selected order has opened, click on the Pay button. You can now choose a payment method to close the bill off too. This will prompt a message stating Sales Order Completed. Option 2. To cancel the bill, select the bin icon found on the sales item ordered. Once you have completed removing the items off the bill, select Pickup Orders. This will prompt a message stating that the order is canceled. Proof of the canceled order will show on the reports on the Voids report, for example.